everybody and welcome back to the channel. Second video today, eh? You must be privileged. Well, because you've had a second video, we're going to be doing 2 dinners. One for me and one for Nat and the lads. Nice and simple. Let me show you. That's what we're having, guys. Nat's having salty and chili pork belly slices from Aldi, $4.99. Nat and the lads are having them with some crispy potatoes and a bit of rocket. And I'm having fish cakes. I love a fish cake, I do. These are melt in the middle, 2 cod fish cakes, melt in the middle, with a delicious creamy parsley sauce centre, encased in a golden breadcrumb. £2.39. And I'm having, this is my favourite rice of all time, this, and I don't have it very often at all. I think the last time I had it was probably about 12 months ago. And I really like it. So I'm having that as well. I got that from Iceland. It was like £1.05p for that. But with my fish cake, I'm going to have it on a bed of mushy peas, minted mushy peas. And I also think I've got in the cupboard some parsley sauce. I'm going to have a look. Yes, some Bisto parsley sauce mix. And I'm going to do a bit of that, and I'm going to pour that over the top of my old fish cakes and my peas and all that stuff. Delicious. Right, so nice and simple really. It's just got to go in the oven, cook. I don't know if you want me to show you doing the rice. Don't know, it just goes in some water, boiled water for like 10 minutes, that's all. Right, so let's get these open first, these salt and chili pork bellies, because they take the longest. 40 to 45 minutes, guys. Get them open. Bigger value pack. How many get in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's 7. Maybe that's that 1 or 2. Get about 7 in there. So, well, I'm going to get myself a hot tray out first. Yeah, there's only me who likes fish cakes. Well, fish in the house anyway. So that's why I thought I'd do 2 little dinners. And these go in, don't they, for about 40, 45 minutes or something like that, until they're nice. Until they're nice and delicious. And we do love a pork belly. There's them, guys. But I don't know over onto the side if I can. Get around there. And after about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, I'll start on my fish cakes. Okay, guys, I've decided I'm going to do my fish cakes in the air fryer. Just because I'm doing them in the air fryer as well. So we'll just get a fish cake. I'm only having the one. Don't want to be too greedy. You can always save the other one to have it on a burger or something. There they are. I don't know if you've ever had these. These are nice. They're all different sorts. Melt in the middle fish cake. And that does like these slices. They're nice and convenient, them. These will be like under £1, or £1.30, I think now or something. And also in that, I'm going to do some cherry vine tomatoes. So, let me get, I've got the air fryer warming up. I've done my peas. Just put them in a little bit of water at the minute. And I've put 325ml of hot water in there, which is going to have to boil, which I'll put on now. And I'll put my peas on because I can just sit there after I've mushed them up. Right, I'm just getting my rice in, guys. Give it a stir and just leave that. Stir it vigorously for 10 minutes. Or until all the water's gone. That's fine with them. I've got my pan warming up for my cherry vine tomatoes. I'm going to get a little bit of oil in. Not a lot, we're just frying them up. The air fryer should be about ready to warmed up now, ready for the fish cakes to go in. Cherry vine tomatoes in, guys. Get them in. There we go. They are quite nice actually, these fried cherry vine tomatoes, aren't they? So I do them nice and slow. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on in a minute. Get a nice little sweet taste. It don't take long at all. Just a few minutes. And we're just waiting now, guys, for everything to cook. Peas are done. Well, not done. They've gone soft anyway. I only use frozen peas to drain them. We'll get them back on there. You want a little drop of butter in the old peas. And a bit of mint sauce, guys. Teaspoon of mint sauce. And I'll put, actually, I might have it a little bit more mintier today. And we'll give that a mash. And that is the homemade mint mushy peas. Nice and simple and cheap. Unless you want to use fresh mince, I suppose, but it's up to you. Done. Put the lid on them, keep them warm. Give the rice a stir halfway through. And we're ready to dish up in about 5 minutes. There we go, guys. They look absolutely delicious. I wish I was having them now. They look really nice, look. Oh, yes. There's them, cooking delicious. Peas are done. Rice is nearly done, I think. Yes, the rice is done. So now, we can dish up. We'll start off with a little bit of green. We'll get some pork bellies on. Like so. And we'll get some vine tomatoes off the side. Cut them in half. Some delicious vine tomatoes. And then we want a few crispy potatoes. How about that for a nice simple dinner, guys? Yes? Oh, yes. That looks nice, actually. Right, I'll dish mine up. Right, guys, onto mine. Let me get some peas. Nancy's sitting there. I'm going to have to give him that hers before it gets cold. Bless her. She's sitting there waiting like a good one, ain't you, Bab?
I sure am.
I ain't got your mic on. Do you want to grab your mic for me? We'll get some rice on, guys. I do love this rice. I'm having all of this rice because I love it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Get all that rice on there. We will get a fish cake on. Actually, before I put the fish cake on, let's get some tartar sauce on top of my peas. And we can sit the fish cake on there, can't we? There's my fish cake. And I've just got to make my parsley sauce. I've done a bit too much there in on parsley sauce. Only having a drop over the top of there. Right, guys, let's get up the table and let's have a go of our dinner. So, guys, which one would you pick? Would you have Nat's dinner or would you have my dinner? Let's get some of that on there, look. Oh, yes. Oh, oh, you don't like fish, do you, Bab?
No pasta sauce.
No parsley sauce. I love fish and parsley sauce. Oh, yes, guys. Yes, yes, yes. I don't know where to start. I'm so excited. I could have had some tomatoes, couldn't I? No, I don't want any tomatoes. No, I don't want any. No. Anyway, let me give you a closer look, actually, because I have been... There's mine. Oh.
I tried to be all posh.
And there's Nat's.
Drizzled my sauce on it.
Did you?
Because it's posh plate.
With a posh plate.
Yeah, there's my posh plate. Our posh food.
I don't think they both look bad at all. Do you?
No. Look-wise, no.
What's the taste like?
One tastes delicious.
Does it?
Yeah. I'll try these, actually.
Yeah, I bought that Bisto parsley sauce ages ago. I've only ever used it once. Comes good with stuff like this. Yes? No?
They're really nice.
Yeah.
They've got a bit of a kick to them, you know.
Bit of a kick.
They're
Was
really
it salt and
nice.
chilli, wasn't it, or something?
They're delicious. My favourite. They are nice.
I absolutely love a fish cake. I had fish yesterday as well, so I didn't do a video yesterday because I had fish. And I'd done it before, so...
They're not salty, they're more... got a kick.
More chilli.
Yeah.
More chilli than salty.
More chilli than salt, yeah. But they are delicious. I've definitely had them again.
This is lovely. I'm really enjoying this. Oh yeah. I mean rice, my all-time favourite rice.
Oh yeah, your favourite.
Yeah, they do beef ones and chicken. I like the golden vegetable.
Them tomatoes are delicious as well. Nice and sweet.
Them tomatoes, nice and sweet.
I love...
Nice bit of sugar on, I love them.
I love fried tomatoes. They're my favourite.
Yeah, they're nice on the vine like that with a nice
Yeah.
little bit of sugar. Come on, delicious, don't they?
It goes really well with that.
Yes, all in all, you're pleased, Bab?
Yes, thank you. Delicious.
And I'm pleased as well. So it's a thumb up from both of us. Now, I've cocked up today. I forgot to get the meat out for the live stream tomorrow.
Right, okay.
It's not going to be defrosted.
Well, I'll have to do it Thursday.
So we'll have to do it Thursday. So we're going to do a live cook with Nat Thursday, guys. I forgot to take the meat out. I just remembered when I was cooking this. And so it ain't going to be defrosted by the time the live stream comes.
No.
So we'll go live Thursday with cooking with Nat. Okay? So I think tomorrow, because we're going to get a few bits for your channel anyway. For your channel, for your cooking. I think tomorrow what I might do is I might go to Morrison's tomorrow. Maybe have something to eat up there and do a video. What do you reckon?
That sounds good. Yeah,
Do
get
that.
out of the house.
Get out of the house, because it's probably warmer outside than it is in this bloody house.
It's freezing.
So should we do that tomorrow? We're going to buy to eat at Morrison's so we can get your things of tomatoes and that up there, eh?
Yeah,
And
try
have a
some
mooch.
different naans
Yeah.
up there as well, yeah.
Yeah, try different naans or something as well, can't we? Yeah, we'll do that. So we're going to Morrison's tomorrow, guys, for something to eat. And we'll go live Thursday because my fault I forgot to take the meat out.
I forgot to ask you this morning. Well, I forgot to ask
Just
you this
remember when I was
morning.
cooking this. So
Oh,
guys,
never mind.
let us know which one you prefer. Mine or Nat's? Or would you be greedy like me? Because I would eat both of them.
I don't eat the rice off that.
Give us a like, guys. Give us a subscribe. Till the next time. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.